There is another bolt that I need to take out. They're going back.
What happened?
Back in the room.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Vitara again. Last little job that we need to do, or Reg needs to do, but I'm helping, is power steering. The pump keeps leaking. There's like a puddle of hydraulic fluid everywhere he goes. So there's like a little seal. You've got to take the, it says you've got to drain the pump and take everything off, like remove the pump out of the car, change the seal, put it all back together, refill it, blah blah blah. That's long. Reg seems to think he can do it without taking it out of the car, so here we are. We're going to give it a go. If you haven't been here before, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Little button down there, it's free, helps the channel out massively. And if you like this video, give us a like. Oh, and also for all you lucky subscribers, there's a little giveaway coming up on the next video. No, the one after the next video. The next video is just like a local little car show I took the GoPro with me, just filming some stuff, so it's not really a proper video, but I'll just whack it up there anyway. But yeah, the next video after the next one, there's going to be a giveaway. Finally, a giveaway to all you lucky subscribers, and it's not a bad one either, to be fair. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I'll give you some details on that next video. So anyway, back to the video.
What?
And we are back.
Busy as ever.
With the nugget. What are we doing?
Well, we're going to try. Say try because I don't know if the seal's the right one yet, but power steering pump here.
Yeah.
Pulley seal that runs from the shaft through the pump is leaking, so I'm going to try and change that on the car without taking the pump off. Just sort of bend it up out of the way. I just had a little nugget of information there. You're supposed to have a special tool once you've got the pump off to be able to hold the pulley still.
Yeah.
To undo the bolt. But I thought while it's still on the car and while it's solid, I'll wedge this screwdriver between the body and the pulley itself.
Yeah.
And then I was able to undo the bolt.
Oh yeah, just stop it spinning.
Yeah, so I just stopped it from spinning like that. So
have you already done that?
I've already done that, yeah, so it saves you from...
oh, we missed the action then.
I did video it on my phone.
Oh, good man. Well, we'll overlay that clip here.
Right, so you're supposed to have a special tool in order to hold the pulley while you undo the bolt. But what I've done is, while it's still on the car, I've wedged this screwdriver through the pulley wheel, just through the gap down there, and undone it while it's still on the car, and it's worked an absolute treat. Little tip.
And we're back.
So yeah, as you can see, that was nice and easy. But now basically I'm just going to undo it and get it out of the way up here somewhere, so we can try and change the seal. I don't know if the seal's the right size, so we'll have to be really sort of look at the seal and make sure it's the right one before I take it out. I guess it's 12mm.
Nice.
Then I'll be able to get the bolt off. Tools featured, not for littles.
Actual proper tools this time. Is there only one hole in the pulley?
Yeah.
See, my Shogun had two holes because there was two bolts. So you'd turn the pulley.
Yeah.
And you only got to do it once. You just line it up with one, and then the other one automatically lines up.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Well, you've done well there, Reg.
Bolt out. There we go. So, put these somewhere there. Not got a fault. Let's find that bolt. There it is.
What happened?
I'm back in the room. Right, store your bolts in a safe space so you don't lose them.
There we go. Nice.
So basically now,
So now you've got
Le pump.
a floppy Le Pump. Oh.
So that, now we can sort of...
So this is why, I don't know if anybody's noticed,
get up here somewhere.
This new heat shield, not only for the mad heat from the new filter, which is obviously brilliant, but it's also a little work table for your pump.
So there we go. I did loosen that earlier. That wasn't just loose.
Brilliant.
Then there is a keyway. You see it?
Yeah.
There's a keyway, so you can't put it on the wrong way around. On the wrong place. Use a nice hammer, copper-headed hammer, so you don't damage anything. Might need a puller on that. You got any?
Have I?
So,
Bit of gibber.
bit in there. Let that soak in for a memento. I imagine it's tapered.
It's all happening.
It is all happening, look.
Have you got a puller?
No.
Bugger.
Should come off.
Yeah.
Although it's probably been on there since 1995, isn't it? So it's not going to want to come off too easily. So what I'm going to try and do is get this heel bar up underneath here,
Yeah.
and then just give it a lever.
Yeah.
So what I might need you to do is just hold that there.
This.
No, this.
This.
So hold the whole pump while I lever it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of hold the pulley, so I hold it from there.
Yeah. Hold the pump with there. Pull it. Pull it.
Bloody hell.
She's on there.
Nearly bar. Well, hang on, I've got an idea. Genius.
Sugar.
Did it go?
No.
No. Right, why don't you use that to give it leverage on this side,
Yeah.
and then we knock it with the knockometer from the other side.
Okay.
Deal?
Go for it.
Wow, she's on there.
Ah, yes. Yeah, Sugar Hill Gang. Yeah, thought it'd be easier than this. Right, next stop
Right, torch?
is getting 2 bits of wood or something.
To hold either side and we whack the
No, wait,
poo out of it.
Got any bits of wood?
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming.
Ta-da!
Wait!
Careful, these are my valuable bits of wood. It's the only way I can jack up the MX-5.
This is the seal here. You can barely see it, it's all cruddy, but that's the seal there. How are we going to get it out, you ask?
No, I didn't.
Not a clue. But what we might have to do is get a couple of screws,
And pierce it and pull it.
screw them through and pull them out. I think that's the only way we're going to get that out. If it's the right size. Again,
What, the seal?
don't know.
Yeah, that was good if it did fit.
Looks about right. I ordered this purely off of a forum.
Really?
Yeah. No,
Must be right then.
no like repair manuals or anything involved. Literally ordered directly from the forum.
That's quite involved. I thought it was just a bit of rubber.
No.
It's got a little bit of
It's got a spring in it, 2 seals,
spring.
and that's a rotating shaft seal as well. So
Oh,
it's specifically for rotating shafts. Yeah, I got hold of that. I don't want to damage it too much, but I do need it to come out.
yes.
There we go.
You got it, Reggie. And what did you say? It was like a half moon and a half moon
Recess.
thing.
Keyway.
Nice. So that's one started. Then what, one the other side? Pull them both out.
Yeah.
Well, screw them in a bit and then. Yep.
So I'm twisting these screws in. Watch the seal. Just pulling it out. So just evenly and slowly pull it out.
That's some camber right there. Oh,
there we go. Seals out. Okay.
Nice.
There it is.
Nice.
Happy days. You can see we have marked the housing a little bit with screws, but
Okay.
each side we've been drilling down into it.
Oh yeah, at the back.
But it's not. As long as you get all the swarf out, it's not a problem.
Yeah.
I mean, you wouldn't want to do it every 5 minutes.
No. And it's not on the sides, so I assume it's not going to affect the seal.
Shouldn't affect the seal.
Tell me it don't fit.
No, fluid came out the bottom.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, but it's just a degreaser. So to be honest, I've pushed that mainly home with my fingers. So that is a definite fit.
Yeah.
What I'll do now is trusty old blocks.
MX5 ramp. Right.
Long socket.
Long socket. Knocometer.
Let's try and hit it home flush.
Yep.
Ooh, she's tight. Might just need a little bit of
Tappington.
yeah, but maybe a little bit of sanding just to get it to fit. Let's give it a wee smack. Ah, there's the smackerer.
We're doing it, get a run up.
Right. Use a copper-headed hammer. So you don't bend anything.
Poulet. It's French for chicken.
Grab your poulet. You have to insert a few
Chickens.
little chickens.
Yeah.
For our French viewers. Don't get too excited now, you French viewers.
Poulet.
That feels a little bit tight going on there, so I think the key needs to be hit in a bit more.
Little whack.
Chuck your chicken on.
Poulet.
Maybe a little tap home might do it some good.
Would this be a good time to use a socket? Or are you going for the double whack method?
On. Use a copper mallet as to not damage the
Yep,
paintwork.
as always.
Yeah, it's alright, she's good for it. Ready?
Yep.
There's nothing in the engine bay either.
Just an engine. Any final words? No.